Yes, the fact is, lubog ka sa utang ngayon. But the truth is, overweight ka ngayon. That's the fact. But the truth is, you can lose it if you want to.
Exactly.
Remember, you told me how heavy you were before?
240.
Oo.
Ang ganda nung sinabi mo na yung people na nasa lugar na ayaw nila, tinanggap lang nila yun, and they call it comfort zone. Because again, the thinking is, I'm a victim. I was born poor, and therefore I cannot do anything around it, and I can die poor. Except that, yun bang gusto mo? Is that effective or ineffective in your life? Again, not a lot of people knows this kasi kulang nga sa awareness.
Kasi ganun din naman ako dati eh. I mean, I don't know all of these things until such time I learned. Di ba, may nagturo sa akin. Again, going back to fact and truth eh. Kaya nga, kung meron kang pinagdadaanan ngayon, tanungin mo lang sarili mo bago ka mag-decide, bago ka maniwala. Is that a fact or the truth? Yes, the fact is, lubog ka sa utang ngayon. Lost ka talaga, hindi mo alam. But the truth is, maraming may utang, nakalabas din sa utang.
Exactly.
Yung fact, yung pagkautang mo, it's a temporary situation. It's
Correct.
not a permanent situation. Di ba?
Situation does not define you,
Yes.
but
Okay.
who you are, you believe, will actually define you.
Yes.